This is Keny the Handyman here, going to show you this time how to open up a can without a can opener. So here I have just a regular tin can of pineapple, and you never know when you're going to be on a camping trip or something and you forget your can opener. So all you have to do is take your can and rub it on a hard surface. Then all you have to do is take your can and put some pressure on the sides to pop the sides open. You can see it's almost opening. I'm going to just rub it a little bit more. Oh boy, the pineapple juice attracted a bee. Ah, there you go, see? It's opening now. And there you go. Got the can opened without a can opener.